Welcome to our comprehensive guide on MongoDB interview questions, brought to you by Learning Hub. Whether you're a candidate preparing for an interview or a curious learner, this presentation will equip you with essential knowledge about MongoDB, a leading NoSQL database.
What is MongoDB? MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL database designed for high-volume data storage. Its flexible structure allows you to store complex data types, making it a go-to choice for modern web applications. MongoDB is typically used in big data applications and content management systems where data is diverse and doesn't fit well into tables. It's also suitable for real-time analytics and processing massive amounts of queries, thanks to its indexing and querying capabilities. What data types does MongoDB support? In MongoDB, documents are stored in JSON, a binary encoded version of JSON. This format allows for remote procedure calls within MongoDB. JSON supports a diverse range of data types. Each square depicted represents a different data type supported. MongoDB supports a comprehensive selection of data types, such as strings, integers, booleans, arrays, objects, and dates. This versatility enables MongoDB to handle a wide variety of data forms efficiently. How do you create a database in MongoDB? Creating a database in MongoDB is an intuitive process. A database is created the moment you store data in it, for instance, by creating a collection. This simplicity is one of MongoDB's fundamental strengths. In MongoDB, data records are stored as documents within collections, and the database may contain one or more of these collections. To create a database, the command use database name is employed, where database name is the name you wish to assign to your database. What is the default port for MongoDB server? MongoDB services listen on port 27017 by default, a key piece of information for database connectivity. How do you list all databases in MongoDB? With the show DBAs command in the Mongo shell, you can easily list all databases, showcasing MongoDB's user-friendly nature. What command is used to insert a document in MongoDB? MongoDB allows you to insert documents using the insert one or insert many methods, facilitating both single and bulk data entries. db.collection.insert1 document. This method inserts a single document into the specified collection. It's useful when you want to add a single record. db.collection.insert many documents. If you need to insert multiple documents at once, this method is the way to go. It allows you to insert an array of documents into the collection. How do you find documents in a MongoDB collection? The find method in MongoDB is your gateway to retrieving documents from a collection, offering powerful querying capabilities. How do you update documents in MongoDB? MongoDB's update one and update many methods provide you with the flexibility to update documents efficiently, catering to both specific and bulk updates. In MongoDB, the update one method updates the first document that matches a given query within a collection, maintaining the ID field's value. This method allows for the addition of new fields, taking 3 parameters, selection criteria, new data, and optional parameters such as upsert, write concern, collation, array filters, and hint. It supports update operator expressions and aggregation pipelines. The update many method updates all the documents in MongoDB collections that match the given query. What is indexing in MongoDB? Indexing is crucial in MongoDB for optimizing database performance, reducing query execution time by minimizing the documents scanned. MongoDB uses indexing in order to make the query processing more efficient. If there is no indexing, then the MongoDB must scan every document in the collection and retrieve only those documents that match the query. Indexes are special data structures that store some information related to the documents such that it becomes easy for MongoDB to find the right data file. The indexes are ordered by the value of the field specified in the index. MongoDB provides a method called createIndex that allows user to create an index. db.collection name.createIndex k. 1. The key determines the field on the basis of which you want to create an index, and 1 determines the order in which these indexes will be arranged, ascending or descending. How do you remove documents in MongoDB? With MongoDB, removing documents is straightforward using the delete many or remove methods, ensuring data management remains seamless. How do you limit the number of documents returned by a query in MongoDB? The limit method allows you to control the number of documents returned by a query, essential for managing large datasets. How can you sort the results of a query in MongoDB? Sorting your query results is made easy with the sort method, enhancing data retrieval efficiency. What is a capped collection in MongoDB? MongoDB introduces capped collections, a type of collection with a fixed size, offering a unique way to manage data storage. After creation, if we try to add more than documents to their capacity, it overwrites the existing documents. The working of the capped collection is similar to circular buffers, which means once the fixed space is allocated for the capped collection, it creates or makes spaces for the new documents by overwriting the oldest documents in the given collection. How do you create a user in MongoDB? Ensuring security, MongoDB allows you to create users with specific roles, adding an essential layer of access control. What is the role of id field in MongoDB documents? The id field in MongoDB documents is a unique identifier, crucial for document identification and retrieval. How do you back up a MongoDB database? Backing up a MongoDB database is vital for data integrity, and MongoDB provides tools like MongoDump for this purpose. Can MongoDB store files? As we move forward, we'll delve into more advanced topics, including MongoDB's ability to store files. GridFS is the MongoDB specification for storing and retrieving large files such as images, audio files, video files, etc. It is kind of a file system to store files, but its data is stored within MongoDB collections. GridFS has the capability to store files even greater than its document size limit of 16 MB. What is a replica set in MongoDB? MongoDB achieves replication by the use of replica set. A replica set is a group of Mongo instances that host the same dataset. In a replica, one node is primary node that receives all write operations. All other instances, such as secondaries, Apply operations from the primary so that they have the same data set. Replica set can have only one primary node. Replication provides redundancy and increases data availability with multiple copies of data on different database servers. Replication protects a database from the loss of a single server. Can you describe the nodes in a MongoDB replica set and explain how they ensure database availability and consistency? MongoDB replica sets comprise primary nodes that handle all write operations, secondary nodes that replicate data from the primary to ensure redundancy, and provide the capability for read operations, and optionally, arbiter nodes that participate in primary legion processes without holding data themselves. This architecture ensures database availability through automatic failover, where secondary nodes can be promoted to primary in case of a failure, and maintains data consistency and redundancy across nodes. Secondary nodes also allow for read scalability, distributing the read load across the system. Overall, MongoDB replica sets are designed to offer high availability, durability, and consistent data access, ensuring minimal disruption in the face of failures or maintenance events. How do you check the version of MongoDB? To check the version of MongoDB, you can use the Mongo shell command db.version. What is the use of the find and modify command in MongoDB? The find and modify command in MongoDB is an atomic operation that allows for searching a document based on specified criteria, modifying it, and returning either the original or updated document in a single step. It supports atomicity within a single document, ensuring no other operations interleave with it. How do you delete a collection in MongoDB? To delete a collection in MongoDB, you can use the db.collection.drop method. This operation removes the entire collection from the database, including all of its documents and indexes. If the operation is successful, it returns true. If the collection does not exist, it returns false.
Thank you for watching our detailed walkthrough of the top 22 MongoDB interview questions. We hope this session has illuminated key aspects of MongoDB for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Understanding these concepts is crucial for anyone looking to excel in MongoDB, and we're here to help you on that journey. Stay tuned for more videos.